According to a study conducted by the National Institute of Health in the United States, the mandated stay-at-home protocols brought by COVID-19 resulted to dramatic changes in people's dietary and physical activity behaviors, affecting their overall mental health and physical well-being. Fueled by stress, job loss, and sedentary lifestyle, obesity have been an alarming concern during the height of the global pandemic. Data from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, showed that obesity rates in the United States rose 35% from 16 states and some 30% from the rest of the world. Prolonged lockdown periods or stay-at-home policies have also made people to resort to eating unhealthy processed food, increasing their risks for obesity. Another concern affecting our health during the pandemic is the absorption of toxic substances, not only from the food that we eat and drink, but also from the harmful chemicals and medicines that we ingest to fight off infection. In this situation, it is very important to detoxify our body to get rid of and remove toxins from our body. Detoxification helps avoid further harm and damage in our vital organs, like the heart, brain, and kidneys that may result in the development of chronic ailments or long-term organ damage. Health professionals also pointed out that stress is a significant factor in the development of chronic diseases as it increases bad cholesterol, blood sugar, and acidity levels in the body. Diabetes and heart diseases are high-risk conditions that may lead to depression, stroke, or even death. People with these chronic diseases are also one of the most vulnerable to COVID-19 infection. One major factor affecting our health during the pandemic is our immunity. Studies have shown that persons with weaker immune system or immunocompromised are more likely to suffer critically when inflicted with the COVID-19 virus. COVID-19 virus is said to attack weak immune system, damaging the lungs and affecting other vital organs. That is the reason why health experts have been rallying to the people the importance of vaccination and in safeguarding and strengthening our immune system to avoid high-risk complications, even death from the disease. In a journal published by Philip C. Calder, an American health professor in nutritional immunology, titled Nutrition and Immunity: Lessons for COVID-19, states, "The adverse impact of poor nutrition on the immune system, including its inflammatory component, may be one of the explanations for the higher risk of more severe outcomes from infection with SARS-CoV-2 seen in older people and in those living with obesity." Good nutrition is important in promoting a healthy digestive system, which in turn supports the immune system. The importance of nutrition in supporting the immune response also applies to assuring robust responses to vaccination. These are the many lessons on the study of relationship of nutrition and immunity that are relevant for the battle with COVID-19. JC understands that these COVID-19 threats have strong implications to our immunity, maintaining proper body weight, and achieving optimum health. JC has the solution that can help you take care of what is important, your health. The solution is simple. The solution is doable because the solution is a program. For the next 60 days, JC will lead you to take the journey for you to achieve optimum health, stronger immunity, and healthier weight. These are JC's 60-day program, Road to a Better You. JC 60-Day Cell Detox Program, JC 60-Day Weight Loss Program, JC 60-Day Immunity Booster Program. The 60-Day Cell Detox Program is a program that aims to build a younger you. By eliminating body toxins, it aims to help repair damaged cells and regenerate new ones to restore youthful glow and vitality, including overall health. The program will also help provide your body with essential nutrients and vitamins to boost your immunity and support your demanding lifestyle. The 60-Day Weight Loss Program helps you achieve your ideal weight the healthier way. This program consists of fat trappers, so it won't be absorbed by the body. It also helps boost energy to support your active lifestyle and promotes healthy cholesterol. The 60-Day Immunity Booster Program works first and foremost by promoting healthy digestion. This will help allow your body to efficiently absorb nutrients and be able to regenerate new and better cell structure for your body. When you have stronger foundation, your body will achieve strong defenses against infection and diseases. Indeed, this is the road to a better you with JC's 60-Day Program. Jumpstart your journey now. Welcome to being healthy. Welcome to the good life.